Alright guys, so S185 BOBCAT. So papalit tayo ngayon ng hydraulic pump belt sa main pump nya. So ito guys, so ito napakita ko muna sa inyo. So based on customer requests, replace the belt. So ito yung, we have a new belt now. Okay, and also we have a new tensioner. Alright guys, so here only one bolt for the tensioner, and it's hard to see that, but we already removed the old tensioner. It's so hard because it's too old, full of rusty. And guys, so actually, yeah, this is the right time to change this. And now we already tensioner, just remove that belt. Right guys, so yung main pump nya guys, so driven by belt using this pulley or this one, the flywheel on this engine. Okay, so yan lang guys. So I don't know how to, it's so hard, so hindi ko sa inyo mapakita kung paano dukutin siya masyado. Ayan guys, so dahil isa lang kamay natin. Ayan. Okay guys, so actually this belt, yeah, this is the right time. That's the owner's is a good request to change this, because if it's waiting to broke this, we have a big problem. Alright guys, so ganyan lang. So this is, it's almost the same, my new and the old belt, so nothing problem. So let's do that. So alright guys, so that's it. So only one bolt to remove that. Okay, so how to play this tensioner, just bolting that one up and down. Okay, and try to force going down and tightening the bolt, and your belt is going tight. So let's put on the belt. Alright, so mga paps, so I already put on the new belt, new tensioner. So we need to tension only and tightening the bolt. So this is my socket and this is the bolt inside. So how to tension that one, just put your pry bar over there and giving the force like that, and start to tension that, start to tighten the bolt. So right now we already tension the belt. Okay, that's very easy guys, so to change the belt pump on this BOBCAT S185. Alright guys, so we hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much.